into a profound and mind-bending topic. The world and we are figments of imagination. Actually, we don't exist. The universe may not be real. This thought-provoking idea, echoed by renowned theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, challenges our fundamental understanding of existence and reality. Michio Kaku's words force us to question the nature of our existence. The world and we are figments of imagination. Actually, we don't exist. The universe may not be real. But what does this mean? How can the world we experience every day, the very essence of our being, be nothing more than a figment of imagination? In this video, we will explore various perspectives and theories that suggest our reality might not be as concrete as we believe. From the intricacies of brain perception to the mind-blowing concepts of quantum physics and simulation theory, we will embark on a journey to uncover the potential illusions of our universe. Are we living in a computer simulation? Is our universe a hologram? Can our senses deceive us to the point where what we perceive as reality is merely a complex illusion? Join us as we delve into these fascinating questions and unravel the mysteries of our existence. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ, responsible for interpreting the world around us. But what if our perception of reality is merely a construction of our mind? Our senses gather information from the environment, but it is the brain that processes and interprets these signals, creating the experience we call reality. Consider optical illusions, where our brain is tricked into seeing things that aren't there. These illusions reveal the gaps and limitations in our sensory processing, suggesting that what we perceive is not always a true representation of the external world. For example, the famous Rubens vase illusion can be seen as either a vase or two faces in profile, depending on how our brain chooses to interpret the visual information. Moreover, neuroscientists have discovered that our memories and perceptions can be easily manipulated. Experiments have shown that false memories can be implanted, and our recollection of events can be altered over time. This malleability of the mind raises questions about the reliability of our sensory experiences and the nature of the reality we perceive. Additionally, phenomena such as déjà vu, where a new experience feels eerily familiar, and dreams, where vivid and seemingly real experiences occur while we sleep, further illustrate the brain's ability to create alternate realities. In dreams, we often accept bizarre scenarios as real until we wake up, highlighting how our sense of reality is governed by brain activity. Understanding the brain's role in shaping our perception of reality opens the door to questioning the very foundation of our existence. If our brains can so easily be deceived, how can we be sure that what we experience as reality is not an elaborate illusion? In this segment, we will delve into the fascinating world of neuroscience and cognitive science, exploring how our brains construct reality and the implications of these findings on our understanding of existence. The simulation theory posits a radical idea. What if our entire universe, including everything we perceive as real, is actually a sophisticated computer simulation? This concept, popularized by philosopher Nick Bostrom and embraced by thinkers like Elon Musk, suggests that future civilizations with advanced technology could create detailed simulations of their ancestors indistinguishable from reality. Elon Musk famously stated, "The odds that we're in base reality is 1 in billions." This notion stems from the exponential growth of computing power and the advancements in virtual reality. As technology progresses, creating lifelike simulations becomes increasingly plausible. If it is possible to create such simulations, it raises the probability that we ourselves might be living in one. The idea of a simulated universe challenges our understanding of existence. In a simulation, every aspect of our reality, from the laws of physics to the thoughts in our minds, could be programmed. This leads to profound questions. Who created this simulation? What is the purpose of our existence within it? And how can we know if we are indeed living in a simulated reality? Several arguments support the simulation theory. For instance, the discovery of quantized spacetime, where space and time are not continuous but consist of discrete units, resembles the pixelation in digital images. Additionally, Certain anomalies in quantum mechanics, such as particles behaving differently when observed, suggest that our reality might have computational underpinnings. Critics of the simulation theory argue that it is difficult, if not impossible, to prove. They also point out the potential ethical implications of living in a simulated world. However, the theory remains a captivating topic of discussion among scientists, philosophers, and technologists. In this segment, we will explore the origins of the simulation theory, examine the arguments for and against it, and consider what it means for our understanding of reality. Is it possible that we are characters in a cosmic video game, created by a higher intelligence? Join us as we delve into the intriguing possibility that our universe is an elaborate simulation. The question of reality has long intrigued philosophers, with René Descartes being one of the most notable figures to explore this idea. Descartes, a 17th-century French philosopher, famously declared, "Cogito ergo sum." I think, therefore I am. This statement was Descartes' attempt to find an indubitable foundation for knowledge in the face of radical doubt. Descartes argued that our senses can deceive us, leading us to question the reality of everything we perceive. He proposed a thought experiment involving an evil demon who could potentially be manipulating our perceptions, creating a false reality. This concept mirrors the modern simulation theory, where a powerful entity, in this case an advanced civilization, could be generating our perceived reality. Descartes' method of systematic doubt led him to question the existence of the physical world, concluding that the only thing he could be certain of was his own existence as a thinking being. This philosophical stance highlights the potential for our experiences to be figments of imagination, constructed by our minds or an external force. Beyond Descartes, other philosophers have also grappled with the nature of reality. For example, George Berkeley's idealism suggests that objects only exist as perceptions in our minds, famously summarized as esse est percipi. To be is to be perceived. Berkeley's philosophy implies that the material world has no independent existence outside of our perceptions. Immanuel Kant further contributed to this discourse by distinguishing between the phenomenal world, the world as we experience it, and the noumenal world, the world as it is in itself. Kant argued that our understanding of reality is shaped by the structures of our mind, meaning we can never fully grasp the true nature of things. In this segment, we will delve into the rich history of philosophical thought on reality, examining how thinkers like Descartes, Berkeley, and Kant have challenged our understanding of existence. By exploring these philosophical perspectives, we gain deeper insights into the possibility that our world and we ourselves might be figments of imagination. The holographic universe. Theory suggests that the universe we perceive as three-dimensional may actually be a two-dimensional projection. This mind-bending idea is rooted in the field of theoretical physics and has gained traction among scientists exploring the nature of reality. The concept of a holographic universe was first proposed by physicist Gerard T. Hooft and later expanded by Leonard Susskind. It posits that all the information contained within a volume of space can be represented as encoded data on a boundary to that region, much like a hologram. A hologram is a two-dimensional surface that can project a three-dimensional image, and this theory suggests our universe operates in a similar manner. One of the key pieces of evidence supporting the holographic universe theory comes from the study of black holes. Physicist Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes emit radiation, now known as Hawking radiation, which implies they have entropy. According to the holographic principle, the information about the matter that falls into a black hole is not lost, but is instead encoded on its event horizon, the boundary surrounding it. Furthermore, the work of physicist Juan Maldacena has provided a more formal framework for the holographic principle. In 1997, Maldacena proposed a duality between string theory in a higher dimensional space and a lower dimensional quantum field theory. This duality suggests that the behavior of a universe with gravity, the bulk, can be described by a theory without gravity on its boundary. If the holographic universe theory holds true, it implies that our three-dimensional experiences are projections from a two-dimensional surface at the edges of the cosmos. This has profound implications for our understanding of space, time, and the fundamental nature of reality. In this segment, we will delve into the origins and implications of the holographic universe theory, exploring how this revolutionary idea challenges our traditional views of the cosmos. Are we living in a grand cosmic projection? Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the holographic nature of our universe. Quantum physics, the study of the smallest particles in the universe, has fundamentally altered our understanding of reality. At the quantum level, particles such as electrons and photons exhibit behaviors that defy classical physics, revealing a world of uncertainty and endless possibilities. One of the most famous principles in quantum physics is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, which states that the more precisely we know the position of a particle, the less precisely we can know its momentum, and vice versa. This principle implies a fundamental limit to what we can know about the properties of quantum particles, suggesting that reality at its core is inherently uncertain. Moreover, quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one particle instantaneously influences the state of another, even across vast distances, challenges our traditional notions of space and time. Albert Einstein referred to this as spooky action at a distance, highlighting its mysterious nature. Another mind-bending concept in quantum physics is the idea of superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until they are observed. Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment involving a cat that is simultaneously alive and dead until observed, illustrates the perplexing nature of superposition and measurement in quantum mechanics. The many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, proposed by Hugh Everett, suggests that every possible outcome of a quantum event actually occurs, resulting in a branching of parallel universes. In this view, all possible histories and futures exist simultaneously, each in its own separate universe. This interpretation offers a radical perspective on reality, implying that there are countless versions of ourselves living in parallel worlds. Quantum physics not only reshapes our understanding of the microcosm, but also raises profound questions about the nature of reality itself. If particles can exist in multiple states and influence each other instantaneously across distances, what does this say about the fabric of our universe? In this segment, we will explore the enigmatic world of quantum physics, examining how its principles and phenomena challenge our perceptions of reality. Join us as we delve into the uncertainties and possibilities that lie at the heart of the quantum realm. The mind-body problem is one of the most enduring questions in philosophy and science. What is the relationship between the mind and the body? How do mental states such as beliefs, desires, and emotions relate to physical states in the brain? This debate has been a central topic in philosophy since the time of René Descartes, who famously argued for dualism, the idea that the mind and body are fundamentally different substances. According to Descartes, the mind is a non-physical entity that interacts with the physical body, but its essence is distinct from matter. This dualistic view raises questions about how two such different substances can interact. In contrast, materialism posits that everything, including the mind, is made of physical matter. Under this view, mental states are brain states, and consciousness arises from the complex interactions of neurons. Neuroscientists have made significant strides in mapping brain activity to mental processes, supporting the idea that our thoughts, feelings, and consciousness are rooted in the physical brain. However, some aspects of consciousness remain elusive. The hard problem of consciousness, a term coined by philosopher David Chalmers, refers to the difficulty of explaining why and how subjective experiences arise from physical brain processes. While we can understand the mechanisms of perception and cognition, the subjective quality of experience, what it feels like to be conscious, remains a profound mystery. Philosophical theories like panpsychism offer alternative perspectives, suggesting that consciousness is a fundamental aspect of all matter, not just complex brains. According to panpsychism, even particles at the quantum level possess some form of consciousness, which combines to form the conscious experiences we are familiar with. Additionally, advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning challenge our understanding of consciousness. If we can create machines that exhibit behaviors indistinguishable from conscious beings, it forces us to reconsider what it means to be conscious and whether artificial entities could possess consciousness. In this segment, we will explore the philosophical and scientific debates surrounding the mind-body problem, examining different theories and their implications for our understanding of reality. By delving into these profound questions, we aim to shed light on the intricate relationship between our minds and the physical world. Lucid dreaming and virtual reality are fascinating phenomena that allow us to explore alternate realities, blurring the line between what is real and what is imagined. Both experiences provide unique insights into the nature of consciousness and perception, challenging our conventional understanding of reality. Lucid dreaming occurs when a person becomes aware that they are dreaming, and can often control the dream's content and direction. This state of consciousness allows individuals to experience vivid, lifelike scenarios that feel real despite occurring entirely within the mind. Lucid dreams provide a playground for the imagination, where the boundaries of reality are stretched and the impossible becomes possible. Studies have shown that lucid dreaming can be induced and even trained, suggesting that our minds have the capacity to create and navigate complex, immersive worlds that rival waking reality. This raises intriguing questions about the nature of consciousness and the potential for the mind to generate entire universes internally. On the other hand, virtual reality, VR technology, creates immersive, computer-generated environments that simulate real or imagined worlds. With the aid of VR headsets and controllers, users can interact with these environments in a way that feels remarkably real. Advances in VR technology have led to increasingly sophisticated simulations, providing experiences that can be almost indistinguishable from actual physical reality. Virtual reality has applications beyond entertainment, including in education, training, and therapy. It allows us to experience places and situations that would be otherwise inaccessible or dangerous, offering new perspectives and opportunities for exploration. The parallels between lucid dreaming and virtual reality highlight the mind's ability to create and inhabit alternate realities. In both cases, our perception of what is real is shaped by sensory input and cognitive processes, demonstrating that reality is, at least to some extent, a construct of the mind. In this segment, we will delve into the world of lucid dreams and virtual reality, exploring how these experiences challenge our notions of reality and expand our understanding of consciousness. Join us as we navigate the boundaries between the real and the imagined, uncovering the potential of alternate realities. Popular culture has long been fascinated with the idea of reality as an illusion, and few works have captured this theme as powerfully as the 1999 film The Matrix. Directed by the Wachowskis, The Matrix explores a dystopian future where humanity is unknowingly trapped inside a simulated reality, created by intelligent machines to subdue the human population, while their bodies are used as an energy source. The Matrix presents a striking metaphor for the simulation theory, suggesting that the world we perceive might be a carefully constructed illusion designed to keep us oblivious to the true nature of our existence. The film's protagonist, Neo, discovers the truth about the Matrix and embarks on a journey to free humanity from this artificial reality. The impact of the Matrix on popular culture is profound, inspiring countless discussions, academic analyses, and even philosophical debates about the nature of reality. The film's iconic scenes, such as Neo's choice between the red pill and the blue pill, have become symbols of the quest for truth and the willingness to confront uncomfortable realities. Beyond The Matrix, other films, books, and television shows have explored similar themes. For example, Inception, delves into the layers of dreams within dreams, questioning the stability of reality and the power of the subconscious mind. Philip K. Dick's novel, Do Androids Dream of Electric Sheep, and its film adaptation Blade Runner explore the nature of consciousness and what it means to be human in a world where artificial beings coexist with humans. These works of fiction not only entertain, but also provoke thought about the deeper questions of existence, perception, and reality. They invite audiences to consider the possibility that what we accept as real might be an illusion, shaped by external forces or our own minds. In this segment, we will examine how popular culture, particularly The Matrix, has influenced our understanding of reality and the themes of illusion and simulation. By exploring these fictional worlds, we gain new insights into the philosophical and scientific debates about the nature of our own reality. As we have journeyed through the various theories and perspectives on reality, we find ourselves questioning the very nature of our existence. From the intricate workings of the brain to the profound implications of quantum physics, from philosophical debates to the immersive worlds of dreams and virtual reality, it is evident that our understanding of reality is far from complete. Michio Kaku's assertion that the world and we are figments of imagination. Actually, we don't exist. The universe may not be real, serves as a powerful reminder of the complexity and mystery that shroud our perception of reality. If our world is indeed a figment of imagination, a simulation, or a hologram, what does this mean for our sense of self, our purpose, and our place in the cosmos? The exploration of reality pushes the boundaries of science and philosophy, challenging us to rethink our assumptions and consider new possibilities. It forces us to confront the limits of human knowledge and the potential for discovery beyond our current understanding. While we may not have definitive answers to these profound questions, the pursuit of knowledge and the quest to understand our universe continue to drive scientific and philosophical inquiry. Each new discovery, each theoretical breakthrough, brings us one step closer to uncovering the true nature of reality. In this final segment, we will reflect on the ideas and theories we've explored, considering their implications for our understanding of existence. We will also discuss the importance of keeping an open mind and the role of curiosity in pushing the boundaries of what we know. Join us as we conclude this journey through the mysteries of reality, embracing the uncertainty and wonder that come with exploring the unknown. Whether we are figments of imagination or inhabitants of a vast, intricate universe, the quest for understanding remains one of humanity's greatest endeavors. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of reality. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning the world around you. Goodbye.